See what happens to your body when you eat watermelon every day. Besides the heat, summer is the season that everyone waits for to plan their vacations, have fun by the pool, and enjoy all the delicious fruit it has to offer. One of these is a big red and green ball of happiness that is sweet in taste and light on the tummy. We're talking about the majestic watermelon, which is so hydrating and delicious that many summer drinks include watermelon juice in them. But if you think that its flavor is the best part about it, wait till we tell you about the many health benefits of eating a watermelon every day that can boost your health. That's exactly what this video is about. So if you're confused about eating food that is both delicious and full of health benefits, you came to the right place. Because we're going to talk about what happens to your body when you eat a watermelon every day. Number 10. Provides the body with adequate hydration. We all know that drinking water is necessary for keeping our body healthy. And not just on a hot summer day when we feel thirsty. Water is needed to regulate many body functions, such as to maintain the optimum body temperature so that all of our body cells can keep functioning properly. Most of us fail to drink our 8 glasses of water every day, but if you add a watermelon to your diet, you can be at peace because, besides a glass of water, your body is getting hydrating juices from another source as well. You've probably heard of this before, but since watermelon is composed of 92% water, it is the perfect fruit to slice up and eat to keep your body hydrated. And what's even better is that its sweet taste helps you satisfy your taste buds better than water that has no flavor at all. Number 9. Watermelon can boost your immunity. If you've ever been told about what's good for the body's immunity, you have probably heard about vitamin C and its role in wound healing and fighting off infections. We've been told about vitamin C's presence in citrus fruits such as oranges or lemons, but our dear Lord watermelon must not be forgotten when we think about sources of vitamin C. Watermelons can provide us with sufficient vitamin C, which is around 25% of the daily value needed by us. Vitamin C also helps the body absorb iron better, which is needed by our blood cells to help transport nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. Watermelons also contain other vitamins, such as vitamin B6, that help in boosting the function of the body's immune system. Number 8. It can reduce muscle soreness. We keep hearing about how protein is good for our muscles, but the building blocks of proteins, which are amino acids, are the real heroes behind this health benefit. Consider the amino acid citrulline, for example, which is found inside a watermelon. Citrulline has many benefits for muscles, but its most promising selling point is how it can help reduce muscle soreness after a workout. So if you're a gym rat and like extensive workouts but hate the muscle soreness that comes afterwards, drinking fresh watermelon juice is a great post-workout meal. That's not all citrulline is good for, because studies also suggest that it can help increase the amount of oxygen in muscles, helping them perform better during exercise or any other sports. Number 7. Watermelon can help in weight management. The most difficult thing about losing weight is convincing your heart and brain that you do not want to eat delicious things and that plain, tasteless foods are what your body needs. Let's take chocolates for example. It's very difficult to stop ourselves from enjoying a chocolate bar to help reduce our calorie intake. But what most people don't realize is that a sweet tooth can be satisfied with something as healthy as a watermelon. That's right, because if you've ever had even just one slice of a watermelon, you'll know exactly what we're talking about. 100 grams of watermelon provides your body with only 30 calories. Not only that, it also gives your body arginine, which is an amino acid involved in burning fat quickly. So whenever you want to eat something sweet that is light on the tummy, remember to eat a watermelon. Number 6. It makes your skin glow. If a fruit is 92% water and has great hydration qualities, it is bound to be good for the skin. Because if you listen to skin experts, most of them will stress about keeping your skin hydrated. And what better way to do that than by enjoying a sweet fruit? Remember the vitamin C we talked about earlier? It is not just good for healing wounds, but it also helps in the production of collagen, which prevents our skin from sagging and makes us look young. Watermelon also has some amounts of vitamin E, which helps the skin trap water and keeps it hydrated, making it smooth, soft, and beautiful. What we're trying to say here is that healthy skin is happy skin, which glows when you eat a watermelon. Number 5. Good for digestion. A large fruit such as a watermelon might seem a bit too much for the stomach to digest, but do you know what's ironic? A watermelon supports healthy digestion. With over 90% of its content being water, watermelon is bound to be good for our digestive juices. And not only that, but it also contains some amounts of fiber, which is also famous for helping people digest their food more easily. Fiber is so good for healthy digestion that many researchers have proposed the addition of dietary fiber in diets owing to its overall health benefits. Luckily, eating a watermelon every day ensures that you include fiber in your diet. Number 4. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Ever wonder why a watermelon looks delicious even before you eat it? It's probably because of its bold red and green color combination, which makes it very appealing to the eye. But what gives the watermelon its beautiful red color? The answer to that question is a pigment called lycopene, which does more than just make a watermelon look delicious. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant, which means that it fights off oxidative damage caused by free radicals in the body, helping to reduce inflammation and suppressing the progress of many chronic diseases, including cancer. This is because many diseases involve chronic inflammation that is a big contributor to the development of diseases such as type 2 diabetes, cancers, and heart diseases. That's why the powerful anti-inflammatory effects of lycopene present in watermelon are important for keeping your body healthy. Number 3. It can help reduce blood pressure. Remember when we mentioned citrulline a while ago? Not only is it good for getting rid of sore muscles, but citrulline also helps in reducing blood pressure, and that is why many people take citrulline supplements. But how does it do that? Well, one way is to increase the width of blood vessels so that blood passes through them with lesser pressure, and this process is called vasodilation. Citrulline is converted into another molecule called arginine, and that is further processed to give nitric oxide, which is a great vasodilator. And that is how the citrulline in watermelon makes it a good option to lower blood pressure and reduce stress on the heart. Number 2. It's good for your eyes. We've been going on and on about how watermelon is full of vitamin C, but it is also rich in another very important vitamin, which is vitamin A. If you're wondering why we haven't brought it up yet, that's because it deserves a special mention, especially concerning our eye health. Not only does vitamin A provide nourishment to the eyes, but it also helps make pigments for the retina to help us see properly. The evidence of vitamin A's need for the eyes lies in the fact that vitamin A deficiency can cause a condition known as night blindness, where people can't see anything at night or in dark places, such as a movie theater. So, not only is a watermelon appealing to the eyes, but it also makes us see better, thanks to it being rich in vitamin A. Number 1. Watermelon is good for heart health. One way to make sure your heart stays healthy is by keeping your blood pressure in the right range. And luckily, the citrulline present in watermelon can help do that. That is because if your blood vessels are working properly, then there is less stress on the heart, and its muscles don't get weak. Moreover, a research paper published in February of 2023 revealed that when people drank watermelon juice for 14 days every day, their vascular function was more protected. If you've kept watching this video up to this point, you've made a smart decision, because now you know that this sweet fruit is not only full of nutrients, but it also has a lot of health benefits that keep your heart, skin, eyes, and many other body parts in a good state of health. The best part is that you can just slice it up and eat it every day. But if the juice dripping out of it while you enjoy a watermelon seems a bit messy to you, then you can just make a watermelon drink. That'll give you a punch of energy and make you feel energetic throughout the day. If you like knowing about how you can improve your health naturally, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you come across more of our videos. Hoping to see you soon.